Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to add a recipient in Remitly using your mobile app. Let's dive right in. First, locate and tap on the Remitly app icon on your mobile device to open it. Make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap the menu icon or Recipients if visible. Select Add New Recipient or Add located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, input the recipient's full name as shown on their ID. Enter their phone number, email if needed, and the destination country. Then, choose the method for transfer. For example, bank deposit, cash pickup, etc. If selecting bank deposit, input the recipient's bank name, account number, and any other required details. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Then, tap Save or Add to confirm the recipient. And that's it. You have successfully added a recipient in Remitly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tutorials. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.